Here's the printer working right now using laser GRBL, and you can see it's moving along very nicely. What happened was this guy over here, one of the screws holding the rail on over here got loose and fell out, and the whole thing was loose, and it was almost impossible to get in there to get at the screw. So I took off the wheel here, and that created a major problem. So the way it works in here is this cable here, this guide cable, goes through under the wheel in here and goes around a motor at the bottom and comes back out under the wheel again on this side here. And so putting it back together, you got to do that. But to do that, you have to loosen the base of this, the screws at the bottom, and you have to take out these top two screws here and loosen them so that you can slide the belt, the whole unit to the right. You also have to take the belt off the pulley over there by sliding it under. It's tricky, but I managed to get it back together. Just a hint for anybody who's going through the same thing. The main thing is to check the screws, tighten them up with an Allen key frequently just to make sure, especially the ones that are hidden under here and here.